around. Today we're going to make the world's best meat sauce, and we're going to start up by filling up water in this container, but you have to make sure that you don't get water into the electric wires because you can get an electric shock. We're going to fill up a total of 1 liter. And then we place the container on top here so it starts to boil quickly. Oopsie doopsie. And when the water is about to start boiling, make sure you keep your hands away because you can get second-degree burns. Oh, now we're getting ready to put in the pasta here in the pot. Oh, oopsie doopsie. Pasta. Oh, we put in the pasta here in the bowl. There's so much steam here in the room, but be careful of your hands because there are very sharp blades spinning around. Oopsie doopsie. Now we can start preparing the meat sauce. I just got the meat sauce here, and I just need to bring the tomatoes also. Oh, oopsie doopsie, 1/4 of a tomato with lots of mold. It doesn't matter if you have a little bit mold. It still gives a nice flavor. Oh, here we have a razor sharp knife, and when you cut the tomatoes, make sure you watch out so you don't cut your fingers. Oopsie doopsie. Oh. It doesn't matter if we don't have tomatoes. We will back up with some tomato salsa. This time we will try it to make sure it's not old. Super spicy. Oh. Oopsie doopsie. Oh. Oopsie doopsie. Oopsie doopsie. No. Now it's time to take the meat sauce and start frying the meat. But before we start with the meat sauce, the pasta is ready, so we have to bring it to the sink. But make sure to hold it with 2 hands so you don't drop everything. So we want to get rid of the water here, so we press with 2 hands and make sure we don't drop. Oopsie doopsie. Oh, oopsie doopsie. Oh, we can put it back. Oh, oopsie doopsie. Oh. Oh, the pasta is done. Now we can start focusing on the meat sauce. We have a little bit dirt in here that we have to take. Now we will open the plastic here on the meat package. Stop! I cut. Oopsie doopsie. Now it's time to put the meat sauce into the frying pan. We can also try the pasta while we wait for the meat sauce to cook. One. Two. Now we can put in the spicy tomato salsa. Time to eat. There's so many mosquitoes here.